great. We did great. That was awesome. Now, let's do the 60 millimeter. This should go through like a breeze. Oh, yeah. Do you see how much faster that goes through? Now, if you look on this side, this edge is cut really well with a smaller blade cut it, and this side too. So if you're cutting 4 layers of denim, either blade is going to work for you. But now, let's see about some more. Oh, look at this. These are some pretty ratty pieces. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's fold one over so we go 6. So now we have 6 layers here. And let's see what we can do. We'll try the small blade, the 45 millimeter, but they're both fabric cut blades, so they cut great to begin with. It's just about the depth of this particular blade. Ooh, that's a struggle. Okay, so 4, maybe 5 is probably going to be the limit for a smaller blade. Now I'm going to go with the big blade. Let me line this up and see what we can do here. And push that through. Whoops, just a little bit. Now, to give the blade credit, it did wonderful all the way through. It wasn't until the end, and I might have lifted up my hand. So we'll do that one more time, just to be sure. But look at how great those cuts are. That shows you how important it is to hold your rotary blade consistently and evenly as you're cutting. If you go along and you start lifting your blade up, you're not going to cut all those layers. So what we want to do is we want to aim our blade down, and this is a notched protector and sort of a guide for your finger, but it also keeps your finger from sliding. And we're just going to cut right through. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Every piece is perfect. We don't have any of the rough edges like some of the others we were getting, but this is wonderful. Oh my gosh, 6 layers, absolutely. Of denim, that's fantastic. So we've got a winner, and you could be a winner and have one of these shipped to you. I'm going to mail it to you. Whoever wins, wherever you live, we'll find a way to get it to you. So remember, go ahead and subscribe and like the video and leave me a comment, and I will ship this to the winner next week. You have until the end of November. Don't wait too long. I'm really excited about how well this worked and about somebody being able to win one. I want to thank the Fabric Hut for providing these rotary cutters and the blades so I could show you how to do this. These are fantastic, but we do have one more to do. The Fabric Hut also wanted me to demonstrate how the 28 millimeter works. And while you can use it just for straight cutting of your fabric when you're quilting or crafting or whatever the case may be, that's wonderful. But there are some special applications that this is perfect for. This is the 28 millimeter. It's definitely smaller. Here's the 45 millimeter, so you can see by comparison. And then here's the 60. So each of them have a place in your quilting room. It just depends on what you're working on, what kind of fabrics you have, and what you're cutting, because this is all about cutting curves. I want to show you how this works, and the first thing I'm going to do is put the Fabric Hut blade in. They really are awesome, and I like using them, and they're provided, so we are going to use that. And again, the Fabric Hut provided this for me, so I'm really thankful for them for letting me demonstrate this. Now, what I want to show you is how to change this blade. Oh, look, it has a quick release. I love these. This is my favorite, and I did not know the 28 millimeters came in this. So you just pull this back and then push through that screw, and this comes out. And then we... Okay, so what we're going to do is take a seam ripper. Sometimes they fit in, especially when they're brand new, they fit in. There we go. Oh, you know what it is? It's the oil. The oil is creating a suction on the blade underneath. So when it's brand new, you can see the oil on the cutter here, on the guard. So just wipe that off and wipe your blade. And we're going to set that one aside because we're going to get a fresh blade to put in here. And it has the tear top, which makes it nice